Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to create fronts. So this is a sample form for creating front. As you can see in the hidden section, we have a number of default values in the text boxes. So as a first step, we will figure out how to get these values and what they mean. So navigate to AI config, go to relationship configuration because as you know, a front is based on a relationship. So here we are trying to create seller fronts. So here under relationship configuration, go to relationship management and here you will see there is already a seller relationship. All right. So what we want to do is under the seller relationship, we want to create a supplier relationship. So you already have a few default relationships in every tenant. Seller is one of them. Under that seller relationship, you can actually create a sub relationship called supplier. So in typical terminology, the seller relationship is called as the generic relationship and the supplier relationship, which is a subgroup, is called as a custom relationship or as a specific relationship. So our first aim is to identify the relationship names, which we have done already. We have seller relationship and supplier relationship. Next, what we require is the IDs of these. So let us see how to find the IDs. You can navigate back to the AI configuration screen, right click on your screen, click on your inspect window. The inspect window will open up here, click on network, right? And you can see network is open here. Clear network. Let us go here to relationship configuration again, relationship management. Now when this screen opens up, go back to network, look at this one. So you will see most of the time there are 3 or 4 of these which have the same name, but there's just one which does not have the setting icon next to it, right? So click on that one. Then you click on preview. Make sure you click on preview. Then click on payload. Then you see this arrow here for the relationship list. Since it is a list, you click this to expand the list. Find the relationship you are looking for, seller, expand this, and you can find the relationship ID, and that is 3296. So we go here and we write the relationship ID as 3296. Next, we want to find the supplier ID as well. So clear this. Go back here. Click on seller once, right? Now you can see the supplier here. Go back to network. And if you click here again, the one without the circle. Make sure you are in preview, not payload, preview. Click on payload, expand once more. You can see this has a name supplier, expand once more, and you can get your CFG relationship ID, that is 3312 in this case. Make a note of both of these values. Okay, so you have the relationship name, you have the relationship ID. The other thing that we had on the form was a relationship type. Sorry, was front type. Based on your requirements, you can decide what you want. In our case, we are going to create an individual front. So we can just write it as individual here. Keep these, and in the next video, we will see how to design a form for creating fronts.